Resolving a tE3 error code on an LG dryer. A tE3 error code on an LG dryer display indicates a problem was detected with the dryer's thermistor. The thermistor is a temperature sensor that helps maintain desired temperature inside the dryer. Here are a few quick steps to resolve a tE3 error code. First, unplug the dryer or trip the circuit breaker supplying power to the dryer. While the dryer is without power, press and hold the Start/Pause button for 5 seconds. Then restore power to the dryer and try to run another cycle. If the tE3 error code appears again, after resetting the dryer, the unit may require repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.